CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.4 Given a scenario, use the appropriate Microsoft Windows 10 control panel utility. Ease of access. Our final topic in the control panel tour is ease of access. This utility is used for customizing your Windows 10 system to meet the needs of users with various disabilities. Whether you're setting up accessibility features for yourself or configuring a computer for someone else, ease of access provides numerous tools to enhance usability. To start working with the ease of access utility, open the control panel, locate the tool, and give it a click. This will take you deeper into the control panel utility, where you can access various accessibility options and settings. With that said, let's take a look at a couple things we can do here. First, for users who are visually impaired and require a different cursor color for better visibility, navigate to the link labeled "Make the mouse easier to use." Here, you can change the color and size of the mouse pointer to make it more visible. Speech recognition is another powerful tool available in ease of access. It allows users to control their computer and dictate text using their voice, which can be particularly useful for those with limited mobility. To set up speech recognition, click on Use the computer without a mouse or keyboard. Then click Use speech recognition, and follow the setup wizard to configure your microphone, train your computer to understand your voice, and learn basic commands. These are just a couple of ways in which ease of access can tailor your Windows 10 system for users with various disabilities, so be sure to take a moment to explore further if you have access to a Windows 10 device. Additionally, congratulations on completing the journey through the control panel. You've learned some new ways to control and personalize your system to suit your needs. And you have probably noticed there are multiple paths to many of the same tools. Interestingly enough, our next exam objective, which will cover Windows settings, is sure to provide a few more overlaps. Never hurts to have a backup plan. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.